Hey everyone, if you want to update DroidCam to the latest version, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to update both the mobile app and the PC client step by step so you can enjoy the latest features, bug fixes, and performance improvements. So let's get started. First, update the DroidCam app on your phone. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for DroidCam, and if an update button appears, tap it. Yeah, this will download and install the newest version automatically while keeping your existing settings. Next, update the DroidCam client on your Windows PC. Visit the official DroidCam website, download the latest Windows client, and run the installer. It will update your existing installation without removing your settings or configuration. After the update is complete, restart both your phone and your computer. Then launch the DroidCam app and the PC client to make sure they're both running the latest version and working properly. If you're having connection issues after updating, reconnect your devices using Wi-Fi or USB, verify that both apps are updated, and test the camera again. Using the latest version on both devices helps prevent compatibility problems and improves overall stability. And that's it. You've successfully updated DroidCam to the latest version. Now you can enjoy improved performance, better stability, enhanced compatibility, and the newest features available. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next